Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Nebraska Department of Revenue for tax forms, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Nebraska Department of Revenue for tax forms, begin by visiting the official Nebraska Department of Revenue website. Locate the login area on the home page. Click on the login button. If you do not have an account, look for the option to create one. Select Create an account to start the registration process. Fill in the required personal information. This typically includes your name, email address, and social security number. Choose a secure password that meets the site's requirements. Make sure your password is unique and memorable. After filling in your details, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to terms. Now, submit your registration. You will receive a confirmation email. Access your email and click on the verification link provided. This will activate your account. Return to the login page and enter your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the tax forms section. Select the specific tax form you need. Follow any additional prompts to fill out or download the form. For updates or further assistance, explore the help section on the website. If you encounter issues, consider reaching out to their support team for guidance. Your authentication process is now complete, allowing you to access the necessary tax forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.